Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Today I'm going to show you how to get this look right here for the upcoming festival of Ugadi. If you didn't know, Ugadi is New Year for many of us South Indians. For this look, I've taken inspiration from Nayanthara's look from the Wicked and Cine Awards, which was actually a request from one of you subscribers. And I thought the look was perfect because it was simple and elegant, just what you need for any festival. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and without wasting much time, let's get this started. As always, I'm going to start with my brows. If you look at Nayanthara's brows, they're shorter and they're thicker, and I'm going to maintain mine that way as well. Taking the Milani Brow Shaping Gel, this is a clear gel, I'm going to comb my hair just to keep the hair in its place and just so it doesn't move around. And then I'm going to take some concealer to clean up the borders of my brows. Now that I have my brows in shape, I'm going to take this brown color from the Coastal Scents Brow Palette and I'm going to just fill in the sparse areas. Although simple, her base makeup was illuminated, it looked fresh and it looked dewy, and that's how I'm trying to achieve my makeup look as well. So I need a flawless base for that, for which you need a good primer, and today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Primer. Using this orange corrector from the Coastal Scents Concealed Palette, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on all the dark circles and dark patches on my face to neutralize the color before I use the foundation. I'm going to set this color correction with a loose powder. The one that I'm using today is NYC. You can use any brand that you want, but make sure you always set it before you use the foundation. Otherwise, your foundation will mix with the color correction to give you that orange tinge, and you don't want that on your face. If you look at Nayanthara's makeup, she didn't have any contouring going on, so I'm not going to be contouring my face as well. But her face is a lot more slender than mine. So to add some structure to my face, I'm going to be using two different color foundations. For the inner part of my face and the T-zone, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Classic Beige, which is a lot lighter than the clean color foundation in the color Rich Cocoa that I'll be using in the outer perimeter, and I will be blending out everything together. She definitely had some highlighting going on her face, and I'm going to be using a concealer to do this, and the one that I'm using today is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Nude. I will be taking it in sections. First, I'll be applying it around my eyes. I'm going to blend it out, and then I'm going to set it with my loose powder before I apply it in my jawline. Because she has a dewy look, I'm not going to be setting my entire face with a pressed powder. Instead, I'm just going to be setting in areas where I sweat, which is the T-zone. And for this, I'm using the Rimmel pressed powder in the color Sandstorm. If you look at her eye makeup, it almost seems like there's no eyeshadow, but if you look away or if you look from the corner, you can see a tinge of brown on her eyelids. So I'm going to be doing the same. I'm going to be defining the outer corner as well as the crease using this brown color from the Coastal Scents Charlie Girl palette. Using the same color, I'm going to be softening my lower lash line as well using a pencil brush. She definitely has a black eyeliner going on all around her eyes. For that, I'm going to first tightline my waterline using the Neutrogena eye pencil in black. I'm also going to pull it down to the lower lash line just like what she has. And then using the NYX matte eyeliner in black, I'm going to pull out a small wing in the top lash line. Using the Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls, I'm going to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corner to separate out my two eyes and give the illusion of bigger eyes. It didn't seem like she has any falsies, she just had some mascara on, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing, but I will be showing you a trick with mascara today. First, I'm going to curl my lashes as usual. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Anytime you don't apply falsies, make sure you coat your top of the lash as well. Normally you would stop at this, but I will show you a trick today. I'm going to take my curler and I'm going to curl my lashes again after I've applied mascara. You can clearly see a difference. Your lashes will look more elongated, more structured, but be very gentle while you're doing this, because if you're harsh on your lashes, you can lose some hair from your lashes. So be very gentle and you will definitely see a difference. To achieve that dewy look, I'm going to take my highlighter once again and I'm going to highlight the highest planes of my face. As I've explained before, you always apply the highlighter either with your finger or your brush and then slowly push it in with your finger or a beauty sponge. That's when you get the wet look as opposed to a powder sitting on top of your skin. On her lips, she had it nude with some lip gloss, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. For a nude color lipstick, I'm going to be using the Milani lipstick in the color Adorable. And for the shine, I'm going to be using the Coastal Scents lip gloss in the color Fuchsia. For my hair, I braided it in front and tied a knot just like what she's done. And if you want to know how to get these braids in front, I'm going to link a tutorial right on top. You can skip to the second half of the tutorial where I show you the hairstyle. That's pretty much it, you guys. How easy was that? Just simple, elegant, gets done quickly, perfect for any festival. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this look. Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button. And I will see you again on Thursday with a brand new one. Happy Ugadi to everyone celebrating, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.